Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be talking about 5 graphic designers that actually changed my life, that helped me in my design journey. So some of these people actually helped me knowingly or unknowingly, but anyway I'm going to be appreciating some of them in this video. So with that being said, let's get started. So coming in as number 5 would be Daniel Oluba. I'm really grateful that I actually met him in this online space, and ever since I met him, my creativity has just been on that level. For Daniel Oluba, is for me is to be inspiration for design. Inspiration is the second person, because I'm mentioning some other people in this video. Is the second person when it comes to design inspiration. There are sometimes you stuck with ideas. I just check his WhatsApp catalog. I don't even need to come to Instagram. Just check his WhatsApp catalog, and I see some designs there that from there the creativity and next step just comes in. So I'm really grateful that I met Daniel Luba. Also, it's not just that as well. Connecting with these people will really help you. He has been I've been observing from his lifestyle on how to balance school and your work as well, and also and how to teach his students. So for every one of you that have been asking me to teach the design, I pray that some of you are actually watching this video, because from this video, in fact, all the people that I recommend that I learn design from are actually on this list that I've mentioned today. So Daniel Luba is one of them that I actually say that I should actually learn design from, since I actually don't have a design course for now. I have my reasons why, but anyways, I recommend you learn from Daniel Luba as well. So Daniel Oluba is actually a gospel minister. From his Instagram bio, as you can see here, he's a rapper, he's a graphic designer and a songwriter. But anyways, he also has a design course, which is unlimited graphic designer. As you can see here, the course is currently sold for 15k. That is for those that will be getting it now, but I don't know, maybe he's doing a promo. But honestly speaking, just do what to connect with him. Connecting with people of great minds will really help you in your design journey, because there are some things that you can't find on when I mean connecting, I mean in the more deeper level, like WhatsApp. There are some things they don't post. Even personally, it's not everything I post on my Instagram or Facebook, but I post all those kind of stuff on WhatsApp. So there are some things people won't post on Instagram, but in that WhatsApp section you get. WhatsApp is a, like, how will I put it, is a more deeper connection with somebody. So I'll leave their Instagram links. But if you have my WhatsApp contact, you can just do it to DM me. I will share their WhatsApp contact. So that's all for Daniel Luba, because I don't want to take much time in this video. Coming in as number 4 will be Matthew's design. So for this person, his name is actually Matthew as well. I'm really grateful that I actually met him. Like, he has been of great help, like when I mean big help for me. Like, starting out, to in case you are surprised that I grew to this level, I also asked question for CNC. I asked for CNC, next steps to take when I was starting a new skill, when I was also starting my YouTube channel as well. So Sam Matthew has been like of really great help to me. Like, when I mean, see, today I'm still grateful. Still, even to today, I can go back and ask questions. I'm still grateful. I won't call him a mentor, because I didn't pay for any mentorship. I didn't pay for any mentorship, but for me, it's the best coach I've gotten, because it's always there, even for someone that I didn't even pay any money to, like, ready to answer me and stuff like that. I can't even see everything here for Samati. Samati is a good guy. Oh, personally, I actually think he has a personal. It's not like Daniel Luba course or all those courses you actually see. I think his own course is in a more personal level. Yeah, so like private, yeah, private stuff. So if you can see from his designs, sorry, his carousel here. So for someone that can actually create carousels like this, you should know. By this, you should be expecting the kind of designs you'll be learning from him as well. Samantha is actually a great person when it comes to design. Even Instagram course, okay, yeah, is one of his design. Samantha is a great person when it comes to design as well. Honestly speaking, I'm really grateful that I met him. Like I said, connect with people of great minds. When I mean, they'll really help you. It's not just about design alone. There are some things design can never teach you. So by connecting with these people that I'm mentioning into this video, it can be like a starting point for you. When I created my video as well on how to get inspiration from Pinterest, I told you guys how I get my own inspiration from Pinterest, and I shared you some list of people you should connect with that help me in getting inspiration. So for every one of you that have been asking that you want to learn design from me, then this video is truly for you. So connect with these people, and they will really help you in your design journey. Once again, their links will be in the description of this video on YouTube, so do us check that out. Coming in as number 3 will be Sir Ayuba Elijah. I'm really grateful that I met Ayuba Elijah. I connected with him recently when I paid for a design a sales and marketing course, and he has really been of great help. He teaches on his WhatsApp status. So for those of you that use WhatsApp more and other platforms, I recommend that you connect with Ayuba Elijah. Ayuba Elijah has also helped me grow spiritually as well. This he and Daniel Oluba as well. They have helped me grow spiritually. There are sometimes that you just, this is time for design, this is time for God. There's sometimes you just post, in everything you're doing, put God. Like there's some, how will I put this? They will say like there's some kind of inspiration or some type of design you can never create with the help of the Holy Spirit. So some of you might not be religious, but honestly speaking, it's not just about being religious here. So like I said, these people help me more than design. So it's more than design I'm actually talking about in this video. So by connecting with Ayuba Elijah, this is especially if you're a beginner, this is like a great starting point for you. So Ayuba Elijah also has a design course. He's also one of the person that I recommend you learn design from as well. So you can, I think his course currently is 6,000. Okay, this is the second course, which is design with me offer. There's another course, is it graphic design mini course that he has. I think that is 6,000. But anyways, you can see the price here for this course as well. So Saiba is also a great designer. You can also, this is his Instagram page, see some of his designs here which he created. So okay, I think I should just stop scrolling now. So Ayuba Elijah is actually a great person. He's helping me. I'm learning how to build online from him, and also learning how to grow my brand as well. So connecting with Ayuba Elijah, if you're a beginner or if you'll be seeing us learn design from me, will be a great start for you as well. So that's all for Ayuba Elijah, because I'm planning on keeping this video short, and my second favorite will still be Nacro. So that is actually for this video. Nacro is actually my first favorite and everything, but that is actually for this video. So Nacro is like, how will I put it, is my second Pinterest. Nacro is the only person that I don't turn on post notification on Instagram for, because I currently go back here to search for inspiration. When it comes to design, this guy is in another level. So like I said, if you want to be inspired, when I mean inspired, come on, you just see designs for yourself. As you can see now, these are the crazy designs on this Instagram page, both with pixel lab, with smartphone. In case you're wondering, these are people that make great things with their smartphone, including me as well. Anyways, Nagristo is someone that you should really connect with. He also has a YouTube channel. Nagristo has a YouTube channel. He currently has 4,000 subscribers. The YouTube channel is one great place where you can get valuable tips. If you are looking for another channel where you can get valuable tips, just like my channel, you can check Boss Nagristo YouTube channel. His channel is really great. On his bio now, there's get my course. So I think he has a course. Now I'm just saying this now too. So he has a course. So if you want to learn how to design like this, both with Pixel Lab and I think with your PC, you can check now Bosna Crystal as well. He also has his premium stock images for those of you that maybe you don't want to, how will I put it, you are working for big brands and you want to use, or you want to go for a more Nigerian look, you can get Bosna Crystal stock images. You can see the example here, as you can see. But if you are good with editing, or if you have watched some of my editing videos on Lightroom, you can do well to, you'll be able to edit with this image you're getting, you'll be able to edit better and get a more better result. So like I said, his channel is actually a good channel as well. It's more like, because his own channel is where I get inspiration from too, and the person I'll be mentioning next. So coming in number one remains my favorite is Boss Nisky. So it's when I connected with Boss Nisky on WhatsApp that Boss Nisky, there's a difference between everyone I'm mentioning here. That's why I'm saying you should connect with them. So Boss Nisky also has a YouTube channel. His channel is just in another level. If you want to learn text effects like with smartphone with Pixel Lab, that's where you should just go. Not only text effects, tips and tricks. I know that these people are doing great on their YouTube channel. So he's also a, like, should I call him master of LinkedIn? I won't really say master because he doesn't really like maybe put those things on his head, but I'll call him, he's good with LinkedIn. So if you are looking forward to building up your LinkedIn and stuff, I recommend you connect with him. He also has a design course as well. He collects just 50 students. So I don't know if, I think they are actually filled for now, but connecting with him will give you more insight, So like I said, he has a YouTube channel, he has two courses on sales and audience building and client acquisition, and on design as well. I think everybody I mentioned in today's video has design courses. Yes, everybody I mentioned in today's video has design courses. But Nisky has really helped me like in my design journey. When it comes to growth, but Nisky has like helped me. I don't even know how he does it with his course, with his this thing. He's still consistent on YouTube. Like, when I'm in that fan of growth, if you really want to grow your design journey or any skill you're learning at all, I recommend you to connect with Boss Nisky. So I think this video has actually taken some time, so I want to keep this short. Some of you that are watching this already know them, but I pray you have gotten more insight from what I've said in this video. So I hope you connect with these people. Like I said, the Instagram link will be in the description, so do want to connect with everyone I mentioned in this video, and I hope that your design journey takes a new turn after watching this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for staying very much to the end, and if this video was helpful, do also share it to someone that truly needs it. Thank you for watching once again. I'll see you guys in my next upload.